Hey guys, so I got my upper for the 458 Socom from Bear Creek Arsenal, and as you'll see here, I was having feeding issues where it wouldn't feed up into the ramp, and when I would release it, when I would pull back the charging handle, it would pop up a little bit and then it would actually slide back into the chamber. And it was happening over and over and over again, as you can see there. But if I would slightly pull back the charging handle, the rear of the casing would pop up and it would go into full load. And then there would be other times where if I was to actually pull the charging handle back by hand, it would work. And as you can see there too, it was weird. Once it was loaded in, there were times where I could not get that charging handle to come back. And I think you'll see it here. So fed in there because I pulled it back by manually. Feeding issue. And once I clear that out, you'll see that I have another issue with the charging handle getting stuck. The bolt carrier group was getting stuck inside, and I could not get it to pull back. With all my strength, it would eventually come back. It made me worrisome that it was going to be having malfunctions at the range. And as you can see here, it was chewing up the casings and the bullets as well. So I contacted Bear Creek Arsenal and they said to send it in. But then I took it to the range, and here's my experience at the range. So after that first initial load on the first mag at the range, that was the only issue I had the entire time there. I probably put through 15 rounds, and from then on, after that first malfunction, everything was great.